you're somewhere sitting at the beach and your money is still coming in. That's my dream. Hi, I'm Hui Juan and I'm a homebody. I've always been interested. I believe all of us should be earning like multiple streams from passive income and making our money work for us instead of us working for money. Before I joined, I always had that fear, like, oh, investing is all about people lose their money, people lose their house, people lose their jobs, and it's so scary for me. And then when I came here, I realized that Cayden started talking to us about why that fear factor is because we don't have knowledge. It was the trade show. It was really interesting because we're working together as a community and then we go deep dive into all the companies and then we split up the work so that we're not like one person have to read through so many companies. That part I really like. Oh yeah, definitely. You know, it's so fun, it's so interesting. I would definitely be talking to everybody.